this is like the intro to me setting up my meditation space. So you guys remember in April was inner calm was my like theme, and I started to do little meditations, and I'm like, I think like this is great, and there's all this like scientific research. This is great. I'm not like, don't take my advice, this is my own personal opinion. I just finished setting it up and I recorded it, and you're gonna see it coming up, and it's Mother's Day. And I'm so freaking happy with the fact that I did this. I'm so happy. And it's like a little cave. I love caves. So anyhow, we're gonna get into it and you'll see it. So basically, the biggest items were probably the rug. Actually, it was only the rug. The rest of the stuff I kind of shopped to my house, except for the mat. You'll see a mat and some yoga blocks. But other than that, it was totally my treat to myself. And this goes back to one of my sinking funds. See, like, I'm so happy that I'm making times and I'm spending money intentionally, because this is kind of like makes me feel good, and it makes me feel like I'm valuable. I'm spending my money on what's valuable. I hope you guys like it. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and do your own like balance project or word of the year project. That's great. Like, I love it. It just structures it so you have something to like look forward to other than like work and the busy BS. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye everyone.
Alrighty, so here we have the items that I purchased. So I forgot, I did buy that the shower curtain thing, some yoga blocks, and then I just painted a stool that I had. So this is my little cave in my office area that I have. And I wanted this little meditation cave, and I kind of said a little bit in the intro, but I really wanted this to really just have a place to escape, because I just kind of get away and be by myself and have special little treats, although my son found the little chocolates that I had hidden in there. So anyhow, but I really like caves, and I thought it would be good to just really be off to the side and have no distractions. So I wanted it to be super comfy and fun. And if you saw one of my, I think it was like my my April bullet journal setup, I kind of put some inspiration that I found on Pinterest of what I wanted on there. So I put some pictures in there, so when I was out shopping, I really had an idea of the things that I wanted to see in that, like when I was in the little meditation cave, if you will. So I was really excited to find this rug, because it was exactly what I wanted, although I did pick, it was gray at the time. But I love it because I would never buy a rug like this because of I have kids and a dog and all that fun stuff. And I just really, I wanted this super comfy, cozy feeling in there. So I bought it from Target, and I'm just laying it down, and I kept that circle rug under there. It was an extra one that I had, and I just wanted it to be super comfy in there, and plush, because it's obviously a hardwood floor. And this was really difficult to film, so I hope you guys can be patient with me here. This is the first time I filmed anything like this. So that shower curtain I'm hanging behind kind of the bookshelf, so I could just have a nice flat like gray area calming. I did think about doing like a tree or a medallion, and I'm like, you know what, I just want it to be simple and clean and streamlined, so I just went with the gray, and it's just a shower curtain, and I push pinned it up there, and it's just a place that it's everything I like. It's all about me, and that's why I kind of liked that I found this little cave in my office for me to kind of pick this out. So I'm trying to pin it up there, and surprisingly it's very difficult to put push pins in that bookshelf. So my finger was killing me. So I'm just fighting with the shower curtain here. So here's kind of just another angle. I'm trying to, don't mind that light, but I can't see back there. So I'm just pushing it in there. It's so difficult, and I really need to just iron how, like, that shower curtain out so it's not so wrinkly looking. But I still haven't done that, in all honesty, and I did this in May. So here I'm just tucking the extra underneath the rug here. And my cat really loves this little cave. I call it the kitty corner, but it's really my meditation cave. And I've gone in here a few times, and it's funny because I just find myself, so it's not so much like I'm sitting upright or anything, but there's nothing to look at, like, or to be distracted by in there. So that's what I really like. So I find myself, just when I'm stressed, and I just go kind of lay still on my back in that flat, cozy area, it's so relaxing to just reset my mind, and that's why I really liked it. So I'm just smoothing it out, fixing it all from another angle. So here I'm just kind of bringing in, so the little, like, TV stands, that's what I call them. Those things are surprisingly very convenient for other things other than just eating dinner on. So I really like that I had those, and I just put it in there, and I put a little lamp, and I love that lamp. It's got little birds on it. So it's just my, like, special little place, if you will. And here I had these lights. I got these lights for my kids for Christmas a long time ago, and they never used them. I'm like, well, I'm going to use them because I like them. And I should have probably known better. It's not like, they're boys and they don't really care, frankly. So I'm just kind of putting those command strips on there, getting all the lights set up. So here I just, like, have, so I bought a comfy pillow and some yoga blocks and just different things, and I painted that footstool. That footstool I actually made in high school, so it's like, I don't know, 24 years old now because I made it my freshman year. And the yoga blocks, I really like those for stretching, so that's kind of why I got them, stretching out my back and hips. So I really enjoy having those yoga blocks. And I have some crystals there that my friend had given me, and then I kind of bought a couple. And I'm so excited because I wanted to set that up with some different crystals and things, and like a Buddha, but the stores have been closed since I set this up, so I really haven't been able to go to one of those shops to get it, because there's a cute little store that I want to go to and kind of give my business to, so I'm kind of holding off until they open back up and we can go in and play with things. So here's just another angle of me doing those little light things. So here's kind of what they looked like up on the ceiling when I was doing them. I just have them, like, kind of all over. And I just love these. I always want to use these. I've been trying to find a reason to use these forever. So yeah. And I know it's like kind of out of order, this video, but it was really difficult to do this video. So I did my best. Okay, so here's the after. So I have some nice vanilla candles, a comfy pillow to sit on, my lamps, my little soft cushy rugs. I'm gonna get some more crystals and my little twinkle lights, and I just love this area. And if you guys can find a nook or cranny in your house, I really encourage you guys to do something like this if you can, because this was such a nice treat to myself, and it was well timed. I did this on Mother's Day, and I've had the content forever, and I just have never put it up. So I'm just so excited. I love this spot. It's really nice and cozy, and my cat loves it. So I hope you guys all liked the video, and I hope you can find a nook and cranny in your house and find a way to just get away from it all. And don't think that meditation has to be it can be anything. It could just be sitting still for 15 seconds or whatever it is. So I really love working from home and being able to go in here, so it's going to be a bummer when I go back into the office and I can't just shoot in here for 10 minutes. So thanks for watching, everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this. Thanks, and take care. Bye.